Welcome to our channel. Are you feeling overwhelmed after a car accident? Wondering if you need a lawyer to handle your case? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will walk you through the importance of seeking legal assistance after a car accident, the benefits it provides, and how to find the perfect attorney for your specific situation. So, let's get started. Why you need a lawyer after a car accident. Dealing with the aftermath of a car accident can be incredibly challenging. From managing medical bills to negotiating with insurance companies, you'll face several legal complexities. Hiring a car accident lawyer gives you access to their in-depth legal expertise and guidance, ensuring that you make informed decisions throughout the process. Dealing with insurance companies. Insurance companies are known for their complex procedures and tactics to reduce claim payouts. By hiring a car accident lawyer, you'll have a skilled professional handling all communication and negotiation with the insurance company on your behalf. They will fight for your rights, ensure your interests are protected, and prevent you from falling victim to any unfair practices. How to find the right attorney for your car accident case. Start your search by researching reputable car accident lawyers in your area. Look for online reviews, testimonials, and ratings to gauge their credibility and success rate. Pay attention to their experience and specialization in car accident cases, track record and success rate. Inquire about their track record and success rate in handling car accident cases. An experienced lawyer with a proven history of securing favorable settlements or judgments on behalf of their clients is more likely to deliver the results you desire. Personal connection and trust. It's essential to feel comfortable and have a good rapport with your car accident lawyer. Trust your instincts and choose someone you can communicate openly with. Remember, your attorney will be your advocate throughout the process, so establishing a personal connection is vital. A car accident can turn your life upside down, but remember, you don't have to face the legal battle alone. Hiring a car accident lawyer provides you with expert guidance, increases your chances of receiving fair compensation, and allows you to focus on your recovery. Remember to invest time in finding the right attorney who will fight for your rights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.